Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Most advice about making friends sound the same. Put yourself out there, be more confident, talk to more people. But here's the problem. If that actually worked, most of us wouldn't be struggling with the friendship in the first place. So instead of giving you generic advice, I want to talk about what psychology actually says about why friendships form and why they often don't. Because making friends isn't about being louder, funnier, or more interesting. It's about something much quieter. The first thing that matters is alignment, not popularity. Research showed that people don't bond because they meet a lot. They bond because they feel understood. That's why you can talk to 10 people in a day and still feel disconnected, or talk to one person for an hour and feel closer than you have been in months. So step one isn't meet everyone. It's pay attention to how you feel around people. Notice who makes you feel relaxed instead of performing, who lets silence exist without awkwardness, whose are usually your people. The second thing psychology highlights is shared context. Most long-term friendships don't start with deep conversations. They start with repeated low-pressure exposure, seeing the same person in the same environment over time. That's why school, work, classes, and hobbies create more friendships than random social events. You don't need a perfect opener. You just need a reason to keep showing up. And here's something that doesn't get said enough. You don't make friends by impressing people. You make friends by being slightly vulnerable, not oversharing, not trauma dropping, just small honesty. Saying, I'm actually kind of nervous here, or I don't know many people yet. Psychologically, this signals trust, and trust invites connection. Another important part is letting friendships grow slowly. Real connection usually isn't instant. It forms through small moments, inside jokes, shared experiences, consistency. If you expect immediate closeness, you'll feel discouraged and assume it's not working. But most friendships don't start strong, they start ordinary. And finally, what matters more than any technique, not everyone is supposed to become your friend. Psychology calls this selective connection. Trying to be liked by everyone actually makes connection harder. Friendship works best when you're choosing, not auditioning. So if you're wondering how to make friends, here's the real answer. Put yourself in environments that fit you. Pay attention to how people make you feel. Be a little honest and give connection time to grow. Friendship isn't something you force, it's something you allow. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more psychology-based videos about connection, self-understanding, and building a life that actually fits you.